welcome back to my channel. This is my sister.
Hello.
And this is Sinead, and if you guys have been following I feel like it's been like an eye surgery series that we've been doing. This is our 1 month follow-up video.
That's
so
crazy.
So if this is the first video that you're watching from our eye series, we both got ICL surgery to correct our astigmatism and myopia at BGSS eye clinic here in Korea. And our experience has been above and beyond what we could have expected. Like, just the whole process
experience has been
and
really
experience.
smooth and like just very efficient.
Yes, like we just felt like we were in good hands from the beginning.
Definitely.
I had my surgery on January 20th, I think, or 21st. So I'm actually 2 months post-op, and Sinead...
I'm officially 1 month post-op. I got mine on February 20th, and yep, so now we're at the month mark.
Yeah, so in this video, we're just going to talk to you guys about our vision now, and, you know, do we regret surgery? How is everything been healing since we had surgery?
Now.
Yeah. So I'll start with mine. So with my surgery, like I said, the surgery itself was not painful. During my recovery, it was actually pretty good. Like, I didn't experience a lot of redness or discomfort. One thing I didn't show you guys was during my, I think, first 2 weeks of recovery.
The sleeping goggles.
The sleeping goggles. You are required to wear these when you go to sleep, just so that the lens isn't moving around, like if you sleep on your side. So these are just to protect your eyes. They're really funny looking, but I'm glad that I only had to wear these at home, like when I'm going to bed, rather than out in public. So that was the only, like, I don't know, the only weird part about the recovery. Everything else was pretty seamless. I was able to go to work very, quickly, like the next day. There was, no need for downtime. So at my 1 month checkup appointment, the doctor said that my vision is 20/13, which is actually better than 20/20. I didn't even know that.
I didn't know that
was
thing.
possible.
Yeah.
I really
thought 2020 was like the best.
Exactly. I thought 2020, perfect. So the fact that my vision is even stronger than 2020 is amazing to me. FZDKB VOPHE APEDT.
수술 정말 아주 좋고요. 시력도 잘 나오고. 수술 잘 됐네요.
Really well, and then the one feels really good.
잘 보이죠?
You can see
You
it
can see it
clearly, right?
Very good. Yes.
Very good.
And I just want to say that waking up in the morning and being able to just see instantly
It's so refreshing.
So refreshing. It's such a blessing. And it has really just made my life, my everyday routine, so much easier. I don't have to fuss with contacts anymore, glasses. I do have glasses that are the blue light blocking glasses just because at work I sit at a computer all day. But
it's also recommended to wear those if you're doing night driving.
So speaking of night vision, at nighttime I do see a little bit of halos, like
around lights.
So street lights, headlights, even some signs on buildings, they do kind of have this like
halo
lens flare.
Yeah.
And you can't control it. That's just a part. That's just the effect of the surgery. So it's normal.
And you kind of get used to it after a while.
Yeah, and I would say it's really no different from when I wore contact lenses. Because when I wore contact lenses, I would still experience some lens flare or light flare at nighttime. So I'm kind of already used to it. So it's really not a big deal for me. But one way that you can minimize the light flare is wearing the blue light blocking glasses at nighttime. So I don't drive here in Korea. But if I were, I would definitely be wearing glasses at night just to help with the, light flare.
So if you guys watched my video, I actually ended up getting vertical ICL. So my lens is placed vertically and hers is placed horizontally. Horizontally is more of the traditional method, and mine is vertical, which is a new method. So at my 1 month appointment, they told me that my eyes were healing really well and that so far everything was looking really good. I had to do a bit more exams than Sydney because mine is the vertical method, so they have to make sure that the lens is placed correctly still and that there was no like movement or shifting. and they actually told me that I have 20/15 vision in each eye, so that's even better than 20/20. So that's really nice, and you guys will see in the footage they have the like board with the small letters, and for the most part I got all of them correct except I missed one letter, but that was because it was like a P and I thought it was an F because they look really similar. But the fact that I was able to read like the tiny little
That's amazing.
letters is amazing.
Even with contacts we couldn't do
even
that.
with contacts. So you guys will see in the video like I'm reading out the letters, and it's just really cool to be able to feel like I can see clearly and I don't have to worry about contacts, glasses.
지금 맨 아랫줄 한번 읽어보실게요.
Very bottom row. Yes.
O N P. Oh, let me do it again. O H P N F.
Very good.
지금은요?
About this one.
E V O T D.
지금 한번 읽어보실게요.
Can you see?
V K D Z P or F?
So the location of the lens is also very good. Like it did not move.
Oh, okay.
시력도 잘 나오시고 도수도 아주 좋아요.
Your like vision came out really good. It was 1.2 to 1.5, like 2015 to 2013-ish.
And it's so nice like waking up and I already have vision, like I'm not blind. Even like just like little things like going to the gym or like just doing outdoor activities, I don't have to pop in lenses. Even if you want to go swimming, you know, you don't have to worry about putting in contacts before. So I don't have to worry about it, so that's really amazing.
So that is our 1 month follow-up checkup with you guys. If you have any questions about ICL surgery or eye surgery in Korea, or anything related to this topic,
Even regarding like our individual experiences.
feel free to leave a comment down below, or you can DM me on my Instagram, or both of our Instagrams. We'll have it linked down below. That's a great way to reach out to us, and we'll make another video maybe in about a month so that we can answer any questions that you guys have.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.